Determine if the fractions are equal. Cross multiplication is the multiplication of one fraction's numerator to another fraction's denominator. And that's where the cross comes in, because you start from the bottom of one fraction and you go to the top of the other fraction, or the other way around. Two fractions are equal if their cross multiplications are equal. So we can determine if the fractions are equal by checking out their cross multiplications. If the cross multiplications are equal, then we know that the two fractions are indeed equal. Let's begin. We have the fractions 1/4 and 3/12. We want to know if these two fractions are equal, so let's check the cross multiplications. The numerator 1 will multiply to the denominator of the other fraction 12. We can write that over here as 1 times 12. And we're going to check the other cross multiplication. The denominator of 4 will multiply to the numerator 3, 4 times 3. If these multiplications are equal, then these two fractions are equal. 1 times 12 is 12, and 4 times 3 is 12. So yes, these two fractions are equal because their cross multiplications are equal. Read with me. Ready? Read. These are equal fractions because their cross multiplications are equal. Let's check out two more fractions. The first cross multiplication will be 4 times 9, numerator 4 and the other fraction denominator 9. 4 times 9, and we want to know, is that equal 6 times the other fraction's numerator 8? 6 times 8 on the other side. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. So these fractions are not equal because their cross multiplications are not equal. Let's read. These fractions are not equal because their cross multiplications are not equal. I'll give you a moment to do problem 2a and 2b. If you need more time, press the pause button. Let's check your work. For problem 2a, the first cross multiplication is 7 times 5, and we want to know if that's equal to the other cross multiplication, 4 times 9. 7 times 5 equals 35, and 4 times 9 equals 36. They are close, but they are not equal. So these two fractions are not equal because their cross multiplications are not equal. 2b, the first cross multiplication is the numerator 5 times the other fraction's denominator 10, and we want to know if that is equal to the denominator 25 times the other fraction's numerator 2. 5 times 10 equals 50, and 25 times 2 equals 50. So these are equal cross multiplications, and we can say that these are equal fractions because their cross multiplications are equal. Well, students, you already know how to cross multiply to find if two fractions are equal. In this lesson, we will use cross multiplication to solve equations that look like equal fractions.